This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The battery is located under a cover at the rear of the engine compartment. Pull up the rubber weather strip, release the clip at the front edge, and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut and carefully prise the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Firmly press the negative lead clamp down into place over the battery terminal. Tighten the battery clamp nut securely. Refit the battery cover and press down the rubber weather strip. After the battery has been reconnected, it may be necessary for the vehicle body control ECM to relearn the window reference points. Close the door, raise the window, and hold the button in the up position for at least 5 seconds. The procedure is now complete.